Compared to the value which is packaged in the whole program, if you just look at it, it's 1750 hours of training, the whole program captures. And when I researched, not many program offers that many hours of training, so it's either 100 or 200, or maximum I've come across 500 hours of training. So it is definitely much more duration and focusing on many aspects of the practice, just not on the physical postures asana, but it dwells into each and every aspect.
Currently I'm studying in the US in Princeton University. What Sadhguru has offered here is something that no university, no college, no management school can ever provide. It's inner transformation. It's not like a textbook or a handout. No, it's just changed the way I am.
When you go through the training, slowly you realize that much of the value of the training cannot really be expressed in a monetary sense. Because you get so much support in every aspect of the program where you might be struggling. There's so much support mechanism included and tons of volunteers that actually you can't really put a price tag on it. And if you would, it would be much more expensive than what the program actually is.
There are definitely so many fun things in the program. We've been taken to trips outside, and staying in ashram itself, the arrangement of our stay is taken care in such a beautiful way that we really don't have to worry about anything, and all our energy is focused in the program.
Once you're here and you're absorbed in everything and you become involved, you don't even think about, oh, you know, I paid this much for the course. You're not thinking about that. You're thinking, how did this come to me? I feel privileged to accept anything like this.
Any kind of money in this world, any kind of money cannot bring you such an experience. Even if you give all your life, to return what you have got is less.
I think there's no price for self-transformation, and that's what I've received here. So I believe that what I've received here is actually I've grown in the past 5 months more than I would have in 10 years of trying to do the same thing on my own. In terms of my personal development, spiritually and physically, I've just taken a huge leap. It's like I've been on fast forward. And so there's again, I feel like that's so cost effective, it's been so worth it.